Sullivan, the architect, basically said, in architecture, form always almost will follow function in the nature. But nature is functional but not ugly. And so I feel product should appeal not only to the mind but also to the heart. I call it form follows emotion. So it's not only visual and design, but it's the whole experience.
以艾斯林格来说，他不希望去做一些常规的产品，他希望他做出来的产品是要引领整个行业的创新的。
用他的原话就是说 ，Dare to explore and take risks.
What is done before is not new, and real innovation is also provocation. So the smartlock, for example, has no precedence. So it cannot be expressed by a primitive box. Lockin asked me, what would you do if you could do anything crazy? So we started to design a lock system which looked like a bird with an eye and a wing. We said people expected technology to disappear and become smarter. Okay, then it must be thin.
那这个设计呢，因为它是用了小鸟的翅膀这样的一个波浪形的一个设计，一个是超薄16毫米，另外呢就是它是一个曲面型的设计，因为它是一种灵动型的设计，是不需要向用户去解释的，用户一看就知道什么使用。
And that's the trick about innovative technology and design. You must find a new symbolic expression that should communicate I'm a lock. It's an invitation to come in, and people will understand what it is. So I think the final product, the bird is moving around. So I think the feeling of speed and freedom is not only visual, it's the whole behavior of the product. And because I think it's kind of this human thing that you find yourself in a product. And I think that's what I call beauty.